Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how can you register yourself on SWAYAM portal and how can you sign in on that portal. After getting successful sign in, how can you select a course and how can you enroll yourself in that course. Everything I am going to show you step by step with the help of this video. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to open your browser and in the browser you have to open a tab. On that tab you have to open Google and on the Google you have to write SWAYAM. Like this you have to write SWAYAM. The first link which appear at the top you have to click on that link. When you click on that link you will be redirected to the portal of SWAYAM, the page of SWAYAM. On this page you have to look for sign up and login option, login button. You can see here is at the top right corner there is a sign up and login button. You have to click on this button. When you click on that button a form will appear. If you are already created your account then you can enter your email and password and after verifying you can click on sign in option. You will be successfully signed in to the website. If you don't have any account then you have to click on sign up option. When you click on sign up option then another form will appear. In this form you have to write your email, you have to enter password and you have to confirm the password which you have entered here and then you have to verify yourself whether you are human or not and then you have to click on sign up option. When you click on sign up option then you will be successfully logged into the portal. Here in this case I have already created an account, then I will click on sign in. On sign in form, suppose you don't want to write your email, you have forgotten your password, then you can directly log in with the help of your Google account. So you can select this option. I usually prefer to log in with the help of Google. When you click on that, all the list of your account will appear here. So you have to select one account using which you have to log in into the portal. So I am going to select this one. As I have selected this one, a verification code is sent to my mobile. So I am going to enter this verification code, that is 74. It usually happens when you will try more and more time. But if you are trying first time or second time, then definitely it is not going to ask you any verification. Now you can see that I am logged in onto the portal. See, I am already logged in this portal. So here is the SWAYAM, the logo of SWAYAM. These are the tabs and here the user is appeared. Okay. If I don't want to work on this portal then I can sign out from here. Okay. Now how can we select a course on this portal? So you have to click on this option, all courses. When you click on that option you will see upcoming enrollment open and ongoing enrollment close. Means in this tab you will see the courses which are running and enrollments are closed. But in this tab you will see all the course which will be come in the future but the enrollment is going on. So you have to click on this tab. This will be by default selected and you can see these are the list of courses which will happen, which will be come in the future. So I am going to select one of the course. Here you have to see one thing, sometime you will see a self-paced course and in some course you will see 8 weeks like these types of information. So you have to select these types of course where there are some weeks are given. I'm going to select this one, advanced robotics applications. Okay, so I will click on it and then you can see the information about this course. Here you can see course status, upcoming, course type elective, language of the course English, duration 8 weeks, category mechanical engineering and robotics, credit point 2 level graduate, undergraduate and postgraduate. Start date 16th February. This course is upcoming. In date 10th April. Enrollment ends 16th February. Exam registration end 27th February. Exam date 19th April. Okay, so these types of information you can find here in the summary. And about the course, you can see here, this is the course layout. What you will be taught in the course. These are listing here week by week, books and references what you can use to have better understanding on this course, and about the certification. Okay, but if you want to get the certificate of this course, then you will have to appear at the examination, and you have to follow certain criteria, like you have to score 75% marks out of 100, and you will have to pay 1000 rupees also. So these are the criteria. Now how can we enroll? You have to click on join option, and when you click on join option, you will have to write this information here in this form, like name, your number, your date of birth, your gender, your country, your PIN code, your state, like Bihar, district, suppose I am selecting Muzaffarpur, profession, faculty, you will select here a student. If you are a student, I am going to select faculty. Highest qualification, pursuing or pursued. Actually I am pursuing PhD, so I will select here doctoral. Year of graduation. If you have not completed your graduation, then you have to select the year in which you are going to complete it. In my case, I have completed in 2011, so I will select 2011. Academic banks of credit. If you have a APAR ID, then you have to select I have a APAR ID. If you don't have a APAR ID, then you have to select I don't have a APAR ID. In my case, I have a APAR ID, so then I will select APAR ID. And here you will be given option to enter your APAR ID. So I will write my APAR ID here. Okay, I have entered my APAR ID. Then educational details. Part of a SWAYAM local chapter. This represents that whether your organization is a part of this SWAYAM or not. Then here you have to select yes or no. Our college, like International School of Management, is a part of SWAYAM. So we will select yes here. You have to select yes here also. Local chapter state, you have to select Bihar. College name, you have to select from here. International School of Management, Patna. This is the code which is given by SWAYAM to the college. University name, you can see here, Aryabhat Knowledge University. When we have selected the college, this appears automatically. Area you have to select here. I am selecting not applicable. You can select anyone in which you belong to. Department, not applicable. I am selecting not applicable. And now you have to click on these two checkbox and you have to save it. As you save it, you will take a message, thank you for registration for the course. Click the announcement tab for important information. Okay, so now you can see this is the all information. After enrollment in the course, you will receive this information and it's done. Okay, so these are the simple process to register yourself on the SWAYAM portal and to enroll yourself on the course. Now about the course, you can see here question answer, you can see here, you can see your progress, you can see your mentors, you can see the review assignment and course recommendation also here. You can view all these one by one. You can explore these websites, and if you want that I explore this website, then must comment and share this video, although I can explore these websites. So in this video this is complete. Now I can sign out, and you can too from this part. You have to click on it and then you have to select sign out option. Now I am sign out. Now I will show you after getting login whether my course is there or not. I'm going to log in again. Select your email. Now click on my course option and you will see list of course. I have just enrolled for this course, and last time I was appeared for this course, so these two courses are listed here. So it's done now. Now I will log out, and in this way you can create your account and you can select the course. That's end. Thank you. Have a nice day.